Guys, do you know what I found out? There is no one single video on YouTube that shows all of the Casio F91W color variants together. Not a single video. Namaste everybody. Thank you for being here with me watching this video because we are making history. For the first time ever on YouTube, anyone has ever showed all of the Casio F91 color variants together. This is the first time. I am so excited. Let's dive right in. I will show you the whole collection in 4 parts. Each part is dedicated to a particular series of the Casio F91W. Part 1 is the trim series with 3 colorways. Part 2 is the WM series with 5 colorways. Part 3 is the WC series with 6 colorways. And part 4, and my least favorite, is the WS series with 4 colorways, making this a total of 18 colorways of the Casio F91W. Let's check out part 1, the trim series. This series has 3 F91 colorways with 3 different colors for trims and the black resin strap on all of them. Trim is that colored square you see on the border of the face. First is the one that all of us are familiar with, the original Casio F91W, the Big Daddy, the one that started it all, the blue trim colorway. This is produced in the millions each year and is not hard to find if you wanted to buy one. The second one is the green trim colorway. This is my top 3 Casio watches of all time, not just the F91W but the overall collection. I absolutely love the color combinations on the face, which makes it very unique. This model is very rare, so if you spot one online, just pull the trigger and grab one for yourself. Third is the gold trim colorway. This one is special too, with its gold trim on the face and the gold tint on the LCD. But what makes it extra special is that this is the only one of all the 18 colorways of F91 to have gold coated buttons. That's really something. Let's move on to part 2, the WM series. This series has 5 F91 colorways: blue, military green, gold, gray, and silver, based on the colors of the case. They too have black resin straps. My favorite from this series is the military green because, as you can see, the face of the watch has contrasting colors for text and it complements the military green of the case, while the other 4 in the series have single color for text. If I had to choose the second best in this series, then it has to be the gold case because, just like the gold trim colorway from the first series, this too has a gold tint on the LCD. The blue case is alright, not my favorite, but I have seen people on Reddit that prefer this to the other 4 colors in the series. The other 2, gray and silver, are pretty plain with no standout features or special colored texts on their face. Talking about colors, you guys will either absolutely love or absolutely hate some of the colors in this next series. Let's check it out. This series has 6 F91 colorways wherein the case and the strap are a single solid color. The 6 colorways are mustard yellow, sky blue, bright pink, orange, neon green, and beige. Some of the names of these colors, I made them up. This series was manufactured for sale in Europe. I think the C in the model name stands for colors. My favorite from this series are the mustard yellow and beige. I don't find myself wearing the other 4 colors, but they do brighten up my F91W watch box. These colors are perfect for color combining your attire if you're into it. Hey, if wealthy people can wear their Jacob & Co. and flaunt it and flaunt their wealth, us poor people can wear funky colors and flaunt our style. Some of these colors are still available with a few sellers, but then you have to decide if it is worth it for you to import it into your country just for the sake of owning a watch that is different from the rest of the watches in your collection. In this series, the neon green and the beige, if you're looking for these 2, then you have to know that it's like looking for a unicorn. If you thought this series was funky, wait till you see the final series. Let's look at the last 4 of the F91s, the final series, the WS series. This series has 4 F91 colorways and they all have transparent resin straps, which is the distinguishing feature of the series. The colorways are blue, pink, gray, and white with respective colors for their transparent or jelly straps. I am personally not a fan of this series because they aren't my type, but I do wear them when I am inside the house just so they get some time on the wrist. I don't wear them out because these jelly straps could get discolored over time with sun, sweat and dirt exposure. When I mean sun, I mean UV rays. I bought them just to complete the collection. That's it. That's the whole Casio F91W collection, all 18 of them. First time ever anyone has ever made a video on the whole collection and showcased them together, all of them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of this history making. Thank you for all the support. And congratulations to us. We are 500 subscribers strong and we are headed really fast towards that next milestone of 1,000 subscribers. We will get there maybe in January, who knows? Which was your favorite series? And if you have a favorite series, which was your favorite colorway for the Casio F91W? Let me know in the comment section. Until next time, stay tuned and stay classy.